Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for online courses with Boston University step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Boston University website. Navigate to the online learning section. Look for the link that says register for courses. Click on the link to access the registration page. Read the information provided about the registration process. You may need to create an account if you're a new user. Click on the Create Account button. Fill in the required personal information. Make sure to use a valid email address for confirmations. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, browse the available online courses. Use the search bar to find specific subjects or programs. Select the course you're interested in to view more details. Review the course description, prerequisites, and schedule. If you decide to enroll, click on the Enroll Now button. Follow any prompts to confirm your enrollment. You may need to agree to terms and conditions during this process. Next, proceed to payment options if applicable. Enter your payment information securely. After processing your payment, check for confirmation emails. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for any additional instructions. Prepare for the course by accessing any pre-class materials. Log into the learning platform on the start date of your course. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.